Dear friend, today we will discuss about real number systems. Many times we use real numbers in real life situation. That's why everyone should know about real number systems. In this lecture we will discuss about the real numbers lines, integers, positive integers, negative integers, natural number, whole numbers, and deep understanding about rational and irrational numbers, and why pi is irrational numbers and 22/7 is rational numbers, why non-terminating repeating numbers is rational and non-terminating not repeating number irrational numbers. All these things we will discuss in real number systems. Let's start. If we draw a line and we divide these lines in two equal parts, and these parts is the middle parts is origin, and in left side of these parts is negative numbers and right side of this part is positive numbers, and this is a number lines. And real numbers, what is real numbers? Set of all points which we can represent on number line. Set of all points means there is no gap between any 2 points. All numbers, all points, there is no gap between these lines. So all points are real number systems. And right side of this line we put positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to plus infinite as large as possible numbers, and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and as large as negative numbers. From these numbers are integers 1, 2, 3, negative, 0, all numbers are integer. We can write in the form of set. We can write these numbers in the form of set integers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Integers, some are positive integers. Positive integer from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Some are negative numbers, integers -1, -2, -3 and infinite. And positive integers is also called natural numbers. Natural numbers. What is natural numbers? Those numbers which we use to counting the things, जो countings में use होते हैं. And other is whole numbers. Whole numbers are including 0 with natural number 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to infinite. This is whole numbers. And all these are integers, but between two integers there are infinite numbers, decimal numbers between two integers. We cannot imagine how many numbers will be between two integers. There are infinite number between two integers. And now we will discuss about rational numbers. What is rational numbers? Rational number. Those numbers which we can represent in the form of P upon Q, where P, Q is integers and Q does not equal to 0. The definition of rational numbers is we can represent those numbers in form of P upon Q, where P, Q should be integers and q does not equal to 0. q 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. It means that the all integer should be rational numbers, because all integers we can write in the form of p upon q, where suppose is 2 we can represent 2 in the form of 4 by 2, 6 by 3. We can represent these numbers in the form of p upon q. All numbers, negative numbers also, minus 4 we can represent minus 8 by 2. All these numbers, integers, is also a rational numbers, but between two integers is also a many rationals and irrational numbers. So which will be the rational between two integers and which will be the irrational numbers between two integers? This is very important to understand, that which numbers is rational between two integers and which numbers is not irrational between two integers. So all we know all integer is rational number, because all integer we can write in the form of p upon q. Now between two integer there are many decimals numbers. Suppose here between 1.5 is rational numbers. Why? Because 1.5 we can write in the form of p upon q, where 2 and 3 is integers, but q is not equal to 0. This is satisfying the definition of rational numbers. It means that this is a rational numbers. And between two numbers, like suppose between 0 and 1, one number is 0.3333 something. What is this number? Rational or irrational? This numbers is also rational numbers. Why? Rational numbers condition is this, or this number is this, but this number we can represent in the form of p upon q. This numbers is called repeating numbers. After decimal, this numbers is repeating. So this numbers is also a rational number. Why? These numbers we can represent in the form of p upon q. How? In mathematically we can prove that maybe is number repeating, infinitely repeating 3. If we put this numbers is by x, we multiply both side by 10, we get 3.3333 something. Now we subtract from this to this, 10x minus x equal to 3.3333 minus 0.3333. We get here 3 and here 9x, and it means that x equal to 3 by 9 equal to 1 by 3. It means that this number is also approximate value 1 by 3. It means 1 by 3 is, according to rational definition, 1 by 3 is rational numbers. So all repeating numbers is also rational numbers, and repeating numbers may be other form also, like 1.12, 12, 12, 12. This is also repeating numbers after 2 digit. After decimal 2 digit it is repeating. So this all the repeating numbers we can represent a bar above the dot digit which are repeating. So this is called a terminating numbers also. It means that terminating numbers, all terminating numbers to integers. All terminating numbers is rational numbers, but repeating numbers is also rational numbers. Those numbers are repeating also rational numbers, because repeating numbers we can represent in the form of p upon q. Now what is irrational numbers? Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Those numbers which we can not write in the form of p upon q. This is irrational numbers. But by decimal, how we know about decimal, that those numbers which is not repeating and not terminating, non-repeating and non-terminating numbers is irrational numbers. Because like 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 9, it will get many numbers not terminate and non-repeating also. So those numbers are called irrational numbers. Only those numbers is irrational numbers which is non-repeating and non-terminating numbers. Now it means that between any two integers there is three types of numbers. What three types numbers? One which is terminating, like 1.5. This is terminating numbers. After the decimal, after some digit it will terminate. So this is terminating number. And second one is repeating number, like 1.9999. This is repeating number. These numbers may be all between all integers. And other is non-terminating, non-repeating, like 1.2562019. This is non-terminating numbers and non-repeating numbers. So all in between all integers, there are infinite numbers of rational and irrational numbers, but there are only three types. These two types, terminating and repeating numbers, is called rational numbers. Terminating and non-terminating repeating numbers is rational numbers, and only these numbers is irrational. Those numbers which are non-terminate and non-repeating numbers. But these numbers, non-terminating and repeating numbers, how we represent in the number lines, which we cannot terminate this line, and this is after decimal it will go infinite numbers, like pi. We know about pi. Pi is irrational numbers, and after decimal digit many people find the value of after decimal point many value, many digit, after 1 lakh, 2 lakh, crore, 1 crore digit after decimal they find, but not terminate. So this numbers is also irrational numbers, non-terminating and non-repeating. But 22/7, this is, what is this is? This is repeating numbers. This is repeat, after sometimes it will repeat. It means that this is rational numbers. If we will find the value of this, it means is 1.0173014, we will get 660. फिर 4 and 40, फिर 35, 50, it means that this will repeat after this digit 142857. After this it will again come 142857. Again it will come 142857. It means that this is also a repeating numbers after 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. It is repeating after these digit. It is also a rational numbers because this is repeating after some digit. So so that we call these numbers is rational numbers. But pi is irrational numbers because the actual value of pi is not 22/7. The pi value is come 3.1415 something. So this is not a actual value of pi, so that pi is irrational numbers and 22/7 is rational numbers because 22/7 is satisfying the condition of rational numbers. Now, how we represent those numbers which are not terminating, not repeating number? How we will represent on number lines? Suppose we know here 1 point and we draw also 1 point from this point 1. Suppose this is length of 1 unit and draw also 1 unit, and using we know that Pythagoras theorem, the distance of this is 90 degree and this value will come root 2. 1 square and plus 1 square root is 2, and this line is under root 2. This length of this line is under root 2 unit. And if we draw a circle, we touch the by any protractor, we use represent the number line. We use this to connect the number lines. It means that from here to here the value of here to here is 1.414 something. So under root 2 is also irrational numbers, and all prime numbers, square root of all prime numbers is irrational numbers, because we cannot write in the form of p upon q. Under root 2 we cannot write in the form of p upon q. I think you all should be understand the concept of real number system. And now we can say that a real number system is two type. A real numbers is minus infinite to plus infinite. Means all numbers minus infinite to plus numbers are real numbers. And in real numbers we divide two parts. One is rational and other is irrational. Rational numbers, all numbers, integer, positive integer, negative integer, all integers and all fraction part, all terminating and all repeating numbers are rational numbers, and only non-terminating and non-repeating number is irrational numbers. Thank you.